everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, because you know, it'd be nice. But anyway, I think this week's video is going to be pretty interesting because I got my Ancestry DNA kit finally. It took like 2 weeks to get, but it's fine. So I guess this is going to be an unboxing video, and I will tell you what the Ancestry DNA kit is if you don't know. I got this kit, I ordered this kit when? Like during Christmas, because they were having a really good sale on the kit. So I bought one for myself and one for my sister. And if you don't know what the Ancestry DNA kit is, it's basically a kit where you have to like spit in this little tube and it will tell you the different ethnicities you have in your DNA. So I think that's pretty cool. And I'm also doing this to see if I have any Native American blood in me for scholarships, because you know, your girl would like scholarships. Okay, I finally opened it. Oh, I tore the box. Okay, anyway, this is the kit. And then, what did you have, Abby? Here. What? Oh, no! My dog just tried to eat chocolate. A Hershey's Kiss. Abby, quit it! You're gonna die. You're committing suicide. Drop it. No, you can't eat it. She just tried to commit suicide twice. Anyway, it comes with this little pamphlet and it says Ancestry DNA. It says welcome to Ancestry DNA. And I have to activate the kit. Simply complete the following steps and let's just let the discoveries begin. 1. Activate kit online. Safe and secure. 2. Gather DNA. Simple and easy. Okay, let me get my laptop for this. So before you even get the kit, when you're like purchasing the DNA kit, it makes you create an Ancestry DNA account, and that's what I did. So once I get the DNA kit, which I got, you go to Ancestry or Ancestry.com and log into your account. While my computer loads, it comes with the instructions. See them? Okay. So activate, gather DNA, and then collect. Okay, easy enough. I'm signed into my account, and now I'm just gonna go to, there's let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs on the top of your Ancestry DNA account, and the one that you want to click on is DNA. So, okay. It has this option on the top. It's a little icon on the very left hand side on the top, and it says activate a test. So I got my test, so I'm about to activate it. Okay, so now it wants you to enter the code, which is, I'm not gonna show you, but the code in the back. There's a code in the back, and that's, I guess, that's why they know who you are. So let me just put it in real quick. So if you're under 18, you can't activate your own DNA kit, but I'm just gonna say I'm my own guardian, so that's why we can get this over with. I just put in all my information in here. It just asks for your email, your sex, your birth year, and yeah. So I'm gonna activate now. I have successfully activated my account. So it says success. You have successfully activated your Ancestry DNA account. You can expect your results in 6 to 8 weeks. However, due to a high demand, your results may take longer. Okay, so it says while you wait, it wants you to create a family tree. Okay, we can do that later. So let's read the instructions. Okay, we already activated it. Okay. Important thing to know. Do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. Okay, so I haven't drank anything for like an hour and a half, so I'm pretty parched right now, but that's okay. Okay, fill the tube with saliva. Okay, so it comes with this thing, and this is the tube that it comes with. So I'm just gonna open this. I watched YouTube videos on this too, so I think I know what I'm doing, but I'm not too sure. Okay, so you get this tube, and you want to fill to the wavy line right here, and just like spin it, but that's kind of gross, so I'll just like skip or fast forward this part. So now fill the tube with your saliva to the black line. Replace the funnel with the cap. Okay, so you're gonna take this funnel thing off, and you're gonna put this cap on with the blue fluid, and I guess you're just gonna screw that on. Tightly release the solution. Okay, so you're just gonna remove the cap, screw the enclosed cap on. To tightly release the solution, you will stabilize the DNA in your saliva. Okay, so I'm just gonna stabilize. How I like. Oh, okay, you tighten and the fluid goes in on its own. And then I'm just gonna shake. You shake the tube for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, that's cool. Now let me get the bag. You're gonna get your little baggie. Oh, it's holding backwards. You're gonna get your baggie, and you're gonna place the tube in there. Okay, so it says insert cap tube and bag, seal the collection bag, put bag into return mailer. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in here. Like so. And take off the sticker thing and fold it down. Get the box out. It also comes with a box in the DNA kit. Ooh. And you're just gonna place your DNA sample inside the box. So we're just stuff it in there and just click. This also has an adhesive right here, so you're just gonna take the adhesive off and just fold it down. Okay, so I'm done. I'm ready to mail it. That was really easy, I think. Now I just need to wait 6 to 8 weeks. This is gonna be like, what kind of video? It's gonna be a continuation video, so I'll see y'all in 6 to 8 weeks. Hello everyone, and thank you for watching the second part of this video. So this part is basically gonna be my results from the Ancestry DNA kit and like what I think about the Ancestry DNA kit. And I'm also gonna show you the website. I have like a little section somewhere at the bottom of the screen to show you what the website looks like. Okay, so I'm logged in right now, and my results came in like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I just been too lazy to record the second part of this video. But yeah, it did take 6 to 8 weeks for my results to get back, so you're gonna have to like expect, you know, it's gonna be a while. A long while to get your results, but that's fine. You'll get your results, and they were sending me updates every time like my results or like my DNA kit went through another process, like when it got to the lab and like when it was about to get tested and when it got tested. So yeah, so I'm in the website as I said earlier, and hold on, I'll start from the home. Okay, so I'm in the home, and then they have a little section or a little icon on the website that says DNA, so you're just going to click on that and then click on your DNA results and summary. And you'll get like an email when the results come in, so you could know when they come in. Oh, another cool thing about like Ancestry DNA is that while you wait, you get a free month of Ancestry, like, I don't know, I forgot what it's called, but where you get to build your tree, and they'll give you all these documents to help you put together your tree. So yeah, that's really cool. But anyway, I clicked on my DNA summary, and it told me I was 69% North, Central, and South Native American, which is a pretty big percentage, more than half of my DNA, and 20% Spain. I kind of expected that. I was kind of skeptical if I was Native American, but now it's like confirmed, which is pretty cool. And on your summary, you can like zoom in actually on different parts, like your different regions that it says your DNA had close relations to. So yeah, you can just click and then overview, click over here, and if you want more information, let me show you. You can just do that, click on the region, and then continue reading, and then read more if you want more information. Okay, so let me give you my thoughts on Ancestry DNA. How cool is this? Yeah. Okay, so my thoughts is that it's like a pretty good website. I mean, I got the Ancestry DNA kit when it was on sale. I think it was $59, which is pretty good because I think they're like $79 usually. Not sure on that, but I'll check. Yeah, it was an alright price. The only thing like I kind of dislike is that it tells me I'm Native American, but it doesn't give me like the tribes I was matched with or anything like that, so it's gonna make the search a lot more harder, but it's okay. I'm putting together my own ancestry tree to see like what side of the family has Native American, because that's why I could go to that tribe, show them what I have to like prove I'm Native American, and then the tribe will give me like papers, like official Native American papers. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, overall I think the Ancestry DNA kit was really good. Only thing I didn't like was that it didn't tell me the tribes that my blood was matched, or that my saliva DNA was matched with. That's the only downside, but I think I really recommend it because it's really cool to find out. I recommend getting it when it's on sale. I think right now it's on sale. I think it's $59, so hit that deal. But anyway, yeah, this concludes this part of the video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch my next videos or old videos, or doesn't matter. Okay. But anyway, bye guys, see you in my next video.
Right. My eyes just changed. You just wasn't wrong, and I thank God you came.